Is your Hyundai Venue key fob not working as reliably as it used to? It might be time to replace the battery. Reduced range, intermittent function, or complete failure are key signs. The 2020-2023 Hyundai Venue key fobs all use a CR2032 battery. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or pry tool. Gently pry open the fob, starting at the key ring slot. Be careful not to damage the rubber gasket that protects against moisture. Remove the old CR2032 battery, noting which side is up. Then, install the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing the same direction as the old one. Snap the fob back together. Test the fob by pressing the buttons from a distance to ensure it's working correctly. Always use a reputable brand of CR2032 battery to avoid damage to your key fob. After replacing the battery, resync the fob by cycling the vehicle's ignition or using the fob to lock and unlock the doors. If you encounter issues such as water damage, try drying the internal components with rice. Be gentle when opening the fob to avoid cracking the case. While DIY battery replacement is common, Hyundai is moving towards digital keys and battery-free options in newer models. Keep this in mind as the technology evolves, potentially phasing out traditional key fobs in the future. For now, maintaining your current fob ensures reliable access to your Venue.